In the next videos, I'm gonna show you how to integrate PHP and MySQL with your Bootstrap project. You can see that we have 8 different products right here, and we have one called product.php. So maybe, for example, this product 1, you can create a file called product-1.php. Then for the second, product-2.php, and so on. And that will be a waste of time, because this one is simple. This one only contains 8 products, but maybe your client has 50 different products or 100 different products. So I'm going to show you the best way so you can create your own websites using PHP and MySQL. And it will be really simple. If you want more customization, if you want a fully dynamic website, you can use something like Drupal or WordPress. They are more related to add that kind of functionality easier. So for example, here I'm going to open MAMP, and here I'm going to click here on Open Web Start Page. Next, I'm going to click here on Tools and open PHPMyAdmin. And here is the tool that you can create different databases. You can see that I have set up a bunch of different databases from different projects, but you can create any number of databases. You don't have to worry for anything. Next, you can click here on Databases, and here on Database Name, you give this a name. So I'm going to add Carolina_spa. Here on the collection, I'm going to select UTF-8 General CE. This is the more standard, at least for the most common language that we have here. So we're going to click here on Create. And let's review again our store. You can see that we have an image. We have a small image, and we have a bigger image. We also have the name of the product. We have this small description, but we also have this long description. We have this price, and those are the fields that we need in this case. So we're going to create 7 different fields, and the table is going to be called products. So click here on Go, and this will create the database. So first, always or almost always, you have to set up an ID. This ID will store a number. It will start from number 1. And for example, when you submit a new product, it will be number 1. If you submit another one, it should be number 2. In order to handle this dynamically, you can check this EA. This stands for auto increment. So you don't have to provide the number 2 or number 3 or number 4. This will auto increment the number. And next, we're going to add the name of the product. And here you select the types of the data, how this data is going to be saved. We're going to choose varchar. This is the most common. And I'm going to add 30 characters. Next, we're going to add image full. And normally, you don't save images in the database. You only save the path for that image. So we're going to add again varchar 30. Then we add image thumb. We're going to add also varchar 30. Then we're going to add a price. And I'm going to save the price as varchar, but we're going to use a length smaller, maybe 5. None of my products will be really expensive to take more than 5 characters. Then we have the description. The description will be this text, and you can use for this kind of text something like a long text. You can see we have long text right here. And then we have the short description. This will be a varchar again of 50. So now you can click here on Save. And now you can see we have our database. We have the database and we have the table with the products. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert this data or how to populate this using PHP MyAdmin.